One of the first things that you'll want to be able to do after you create a meeting is invite people to it. And so here in my Connect dashboard, I'm going to go to Meetings, and I want to show you a couple of methods that you can use to invite people to attend your meeting. Now, notice that the meeting has a start time and a duration listed. This really doesn't mean anything because the meeting is something that is permanent. And the invitation to the meeting is simply the URL to the meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my meeting here. And the URL that I have here is a URL that I can use over and over and over again. The start time and the duration is really just informational for you if you want to know when you're supposed to meet. But you can use this over and over again. So to share this meeting with somebody else, one of the first things that you can do is simply come in here to the meeting dashboard, select the meeting's URL, right-click on it, or control-click on the Macintosh, and copy this. Paste this into an email, send it off. Although, if you're actually in the middle of a meeting and you want to do this, you don't have to go through this whole step. All you need to do is, in the meeting, I'm going to go ahead and launch the meeting room now, go to the meeting menu, and then select Manage Access and Entry, and select Invite Participants. Now, nothing's actually going to happen right now because this is just going to give you the meeting URL. If I click Compose Email, though, what will happen is Connect will talk to your email client. It'll fire it up, it'll produce an email with some information in it, including the URL, that you can then address and send off to your participants. What I'll typically do with this myself, though, is just grab this, right-click or control-click on the Mac, copy it, and then paste it into an email that I'm composing myself. But either way, inviting participants to your meeting need be nothing really more than copying down this URL and sending it out. In fact, because these meetings are permanent and this URL is static, I can actually put this on things like my business card or in my email signature. Another thing to note is that the Connect URL that is before the meeting name, so everything before that right there, is all stuff that is going to stay the same. Now, this happens to be a 30-day trial, so it's kind of a long URL, but yours might be, yourcompanyname.connect.com or something like that. And what ends up happening is that you begin to understand that you can refer to your meeting as /Tim's meeting or /company meeting or whatever. In fact, in my company, when I use this, we actually meet frequently using Connect, even though we're in the same building, because it's more convenient than leaving our office and whatnot. And so I'll call somebody up and I'll say, hey, Jill, meet me in /Timothy P. or meet me in /company meeting or something like that. We know to type the rest of the URL in, type in the meeting, and bang, we're good to go. So inviting people to your meeting really needn't be a complicated affair. It's just a matter of sending out the URL. The URL is something that doesn't change once you've created a meeting, so it's actually a very convenient way to create a consistent meeting space that you can use.